Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean your engine bay with this 303 protectant product. As you can see, mine's gotten pretty dusty. So the first thing you can do is just take this stuff, spray it on. This will give it a nice shine. I find it lasts about 6 months to a year. Over here in the air box, spray that down. And it rejuvenates the plastics as well as the rubber parts. So spray it on all your rubber hoses. This bottle's getting a little dry here. Like the radiator hose, the AC hoses there. And then let it sit about 15 or so minutes and then wipe it clean and it'll look brand new. So I'll let this sit here for a little while, then I'll wipe it clean and I'll show you guys how it turns out. Here's the finished product, guys. Looking a lot better. Again, especially if you just do the engine cover, the air box, the cover to the fuse box there, and get the hoses as best you can. Also cleaned up this back part here. So pretty happy with the result. Now's a good time also to spray some of the suspension parts under each of your wheels there. And I'll put a link down below on a video where I did that. I appreciate you guys watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch y'all next time.